like the way we see in the movies, also in terms of robots also, ठीक है, चीज़ें बहुत beautiful दिखती है, but at the same time, if we go somewhere wrong, if we use cheap technology, wrong automation, then what do you think? What is the terrifying experience so far that you have heard ever?
So, even a simple thing like a video door phone, which is inside your house to see who's outside, or a doorbell, can cause fire if it's not connected well.
Okay.
Okay, where now that is what we have seen once, and it is you're playing with high voltage in the house. You're playing with electricity. You can't do it half knowledge with half knowledge. You need to have a holistic approach to this. So now, example, if I give you, we are not just certified automation company, but we are also licensed electrical contractors.
Okay.
We are also lighting specialists with certificates and our name. Now, if a person is having half knowledge of everything, that is going to create disaster.
Yeah, because I think automation is an integrated system altogether.
Yeah. So if the approach is not complete, or if the knowledge is not complete, rather not do it.
And with the high usage of your AIs, ChatGPT, even Alexa, and all of the gadgets that we have, do you think there is a threat to this automation industry?
So I won't say a threat, because it's just AI is just assisting you to use the technology well. Okay, for example, driving a Tesla, is it empowering the driver to drive the Tesla, or is it scaring him? So the same way, when you're using AI, now I'll tell you what's going to happen with AI is using the tech for the client becomes way easier if you have an automation in place. I'm just giving you a random example right now, and with adding in AI, it learns your lifestyle. Okay, that's how you can be like, example using, hey Siri, set a relaxed scene for my house. Now, अभी क्या होता है या होता था, we have to go on the app, set everything, do okay, and give it to the customer. So next time he presses relax, it's as per what he likes. Today AI is going to learn what that customer turns on in this time, and it sets automatically learning what all lights are there in the house.
Okay.
Which curtains are there. So now
So it is on. So you mean to say it is with the senses now?
You could say that, yeah. It understands your lifestyle, which I've been saying before, and then it sets everything as per what you like. You just say it, Siri, set my relaxing. It'll understand the lights in the house, the ACs and the curtains, blinds, and gives you a scene that's set for you. And not only that, it can give you options for that.
Okay.
Relax 1, relax 2, relax 3. You choose and do okay, and it'll be set for you.
How relaxed you are.
How relaxed you are.
And these days, face IDs, they have replaced your fingerprints. DJ Yatra has gone it has actually normalized the biometrics. So what do you think in access field, where is it heading in terms of automation?
So definitely face is the thing now. Just imagine in a simple way, if I had to give you, if you are carrying a baby and coming home, okay, tomorrow, you have some bags of shopping or whatever.
मेरे पास तो 10 रहते हैं.
So imagine वो सब रखो, baby को बिठाओ, you open your key or a fingerprint. Rather now, most of the homes that we are doing, we are suggesting or telling the clients to put face readers at home. So as soon as they go home, the VDP that is there, video door phone, also is a face recognition system. As soon as you go there, you see show your face and doors are unlocked.
Wow.
So it becomes very easy for them to use, and everywhere, like as you said, DJ Adra, if it's a safety concern, if you see government using in airports, then for a house, I think it's a fairly safe system.
Right.
Another example, if I had to give you, even grandparents, with aging skin, it doesn't take the fingerprint sensor, doesn't detect your finger. So, and every time with the age, remembering I have to take my keys and all, face becomes easy. You have to go there, show the face, and get in the house. So it is very helpful to all the age gaps. All the generations are able to do this.